Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to read Snapchat messages without opening. So let's get right into it. Once you have opened your Snapchat account, head over to your chat box. And once you're there, you can see there are 3 messages that is already in my chat box. And I want to see the message of my AI. So just put your finger on it and swipe it slightly. Wait, let me show you again. Put your finger right on it and swipe it slightly to the right until you can see the message. And yeah, you can see QWERT123. I'm your chat box. Ask me a question and I'll assist you. How can I help you today? So that was its message. And if you want to see another message, do the same, slightly swipe it to the right and you can see a snap was sent to me. And yeah, that's it. The notification is already on. That is not gone. So that's it. This was easy, right? If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. We will see you in the next video.